Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just starting off looking at Sylvia parts there, and quite an exciting day today. In fact, very exciting because my new project car has arrived and I'm quite excited to show you. So if I just slowly step back, ooh, what's this just coming into view? Now anybody who's a proper car nerd will already know what car it is. If I go back a little bit further, can you tell what it is yet? That sounded wrong, that's what Rolf Harris used to say. But can you tell what it is yet? Can you? Can you? Can you? Ta-da! Here we go guys. Yep, I've gone and bought a Manta. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lot of videos on this car. It's very tidy. I'll do a proper full-on walk around video of the car another day. I'm not going to do it today, this is just a little introduction. But I just want to show you the basics. So it is basically, it's a 1987 1.8 Berlinetta. It was originally registered in Southampton. It then lived a few of its years of its life in Jersey, so it's actually on Jersey plates at the moment. So when I come to register it, I have to get an MOT on it, and then I have to register it in my name to get a UK logbook. But as I said, this is just an initial walk around. I've got the indicator for that wing, which is down there in the centre console. So this is just an initial introductory video. The state of my driveway, it does need proper sorting. So here we go. The 1.88 valve, basically the GM Family 2 engine, the same as you'll find in Sylvia and Owen, and my convertible Cavalier. Just step back. There we go. As I said, this is just an initial showing you of the car. I will do a proper full walk around video as time goes on. But yeah, it's just arrived this morning. Very pleased with it. It does need some welding. There's some welding which again I'll show you on the full walk around video, but there's a chassis rail that's common on these called the swan neck. It needs doing at both sides, and also the floor pan. And there's a bit near the A-pillar at that side. Well, not the A-pillar, but the inner wing. There's also a bit on this wing here as well. I'm going to try and save the wing by just repairing it, cut out the rot and see what I can do to save the wing, because it'd be a shame to obviously have to fit a new wing and then repaint it and everything. But I will just show you it start up. Oh. Into neutral. That's without any choke. See, it's got a good old it's a fair few years since I had a car with a choke. There we go. Sweet. Runs so nice. Now one of the main modifications, let me just turn it back off again. One of the main modifications I was going to do on this was to replace the original carb with a Weber upgrade. Looking around it, boom, it's already had the Weber upgrade done, so that's one less thing I need to worry about. So I'm well chuffed with that. I did wonder because the standard carb had an auto choke, so when I saw that it had got a manual choke, I was like, oh, it's obviously been modified. So then I've just been having a look round and I see the Weber has already been done, so happy days. So I'm well chuffed with that. So, but yeah, you can see it's really tidy condition. Just needs a bit of a cleaning places on the interior, but the doors open nice, they don't drop on the hinges or anything. As I say, just needs a good valet, good clean. Needs a new carpet in the front because it's a bit worn through, so I'll see if I can get a new front carpet. But as once the welding's done, I can try and get it for an MOT, get it on the road, and then all these other little minor bits, like it's got a little cover missing up there for the bolts for the tailgate. All these little tiny bits I'll do over time, make it a bit of a rolling resto. So there we go, guys. We have a Manta. I can't believe it. It feels like I'm dreaming a bit because I've wanted one of these since I was a kid. I know some people prefer the coupe, and to be honest, I used to always prefer the coupe, but these days I prefer the shape of the hatch. So I'm well chuffed. Really nice, clean, tidy car. Just got these few little bits that'll need tidying over time. But yeah, there we go. It did have an MOT and it had quite a lot of stuff on the failure sheet, but I'll get it all sorted and get it on the road. So there we go. My Vectra's over there, Sylvia's there, Owen down there on the road, Trevor, my Frontera here next to us. So if these are the kind of things you want to see, keep tuned to the channel, subscribe. I'll keep you up to date as things progress. Frontera is going to be the first one to get done and sold, so I've got more space. I want to get the Manta in the garage really, so that I can start working on it properly, which means getting my cav convertible out onto the drive. So yeah, keep tuned. So until next time, guys, take care and we'll see you then. Cheers, bye.